Hello, our lovely learners! Do you like the idea of time traveling? In English grammar, there is a tense which can help you to do just that. Let's get started and dive in together. What has happened? A broken cup. The action happened in the past, but the result is visible now. How do we say it in English correctly? Can we use past tense? Or is it better to use present tense? If you don't know the answer or would like a bit more help, this video is for you. And as a bonus, we have a free grammar quiz after that. Today, we are going to explain about how to link past and present together in English. And to do this, let me introduce a new tense called present perfect. We use present perfect when we want to say that something has happened. This information is usually new. Something happened in the past, but the result is seen now. For example, I tried to find a new job last month. And 2 days ago, I got a job offer. I was happy. Now, I'm meeting my friend and I'm sharing my news by saying, I have found a new job. I'm so happy. Here, I found a new job in the past. 2 days ago, I was accepted. But I didn't tell my friend about it 2 days ago. I'm telling about it only now, and this is new information. I hope it's clear. The present perfect is used to emphasize the completed action of the job search, with the result having a direct connection to the present moment. Here is another example. I was in a cafe. I was eating, drinking and using my phone. When the waiter came with the bill, I put my phone down on the table, paid for my meal, and after that I left the cafe. When I got home, I wanted to call my friend. I started to search for my phone and I realized that my phone was not with me. And I can say, oh no, I have left my phone in the cafe. In this example, my action with the phone happened in the past. But I don't have it now when I need it. So it is a connection, an influence of the past action to the present. I have left my phone. Main verbs have 3 basic forms. The base form, the past form and the third form. It is called the past participle. To form present perfect, we use have or has and past participle. For regular verbs, past participle is formed by adding the ending ed to the verb. For irregular verbs, this form of the verb varies and must be remembered. I have found a new job. Or a short version, I've found a new job. We remember find is an irregular verb, having forms found for the past tense and found for the past participle. I have left my phone, or a short version, I've left my phone. We remember leave is an irregular verb, having forms left for the past tense and left for the past participle. So there are the same forms. I have completed my homework or task, or a short version, I've completed my home or task. Complete is a regular verb, so I added the ending ed. To sum up, present perfect is a tense which shows a connection, result, with the present. It's like a bridge between past and present actions. In addition, it's quite common to use words such as just, already, yet to show results. Let's start with the first one, just. Just is adverb. It is used to indicate a short time ago. For example, I have just finished my homework. Suggests that the homework was completed a very short time before the current moment. Already, this adverb is used to express that something has happened earlier than I expected. For instance, I have already finished my homework. Tells us that the homework was completed earlier than I expected. Yet, this adverb is used in negative and question sentences to indicate that something is not completed up to the present moment. For example, I have not finished my homework yet. It tells us that, as of now, the completion of the homework is still expected or awaited. I hope it's clear. Also, present perfect is perfect or ideal to discuss experiences without saying exactly when they happened. Experiences can be about countries, food, films, books, everything that we had or didn't have in the past. It is perfect for those moments in life that shape who we are now. For example, I have been to India. Why not? It's a lovely country. It doesn't say when I visited it. It doesn't matter for me. I wanted to say that it is an experience for me. It was in the past, but this trip is in my memory and my heart. That's all. My friend has opened a cafe. I have tried a pizza there. It was so tasty. In this example, I visited the cafe somewhere in the past. I ate pizza. Now I have an experience being there, and I'm sharing this information, maybe with my friend, about this experience. In examples with experience, we are like secret agents without saying exactly when our experience happened. Please remember that. Talking about experience or results, I might use time indicators, such as recently, for a long time, in the last few days, this month, this year, and so on, when these periods are not finished at the moment of speaking. For example, I have drunk 3 cups of tea today. It means my result now is 3 cups of tea. But today's day is not finished. Maybe I will drink more, or maybe not. I don't know. I have not met my friend since last month. Somewhere in the last month I met my friend. And until now I have not seen them. It is the result now. Now, as a bonus, in the description of this video, there is a link. Please follow the link to do the grammar quiz and check for yourself if you understand the rules correctly. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. See you soon. Bye.